Hello student, chapter number 4, practical geometry. In that today we solve exercise 4.3. Construct a quadrilateral. Okay, construct a quadrilateral in which the two sides and three angles are given. Okay, so construct a quadrilateral with measurement of two sides and three angles. Okay, how to draw that one? Look here, I already write down the measurements here. First one, in that quadrilateral MORE, in that two sides and three angles are given. Now here we make rough sketch of quadrilateral like that. Okay, and they are MORE is there. MO is given, that is 6 centimeter. OR is 4.5 centimeter, and three angles are given. M is 60, this one is 105, R is also 105. So what to do? First we construct MO, then at 105 degree we construct OR. Okay, then construct means draw 60 degree angle from M and 105 from R, and the intersecting point is our third point, last point, fourth one. Okay, so when the two measurements of sides, two adjacent sides are given, that time, okay, always we start with the side. Measurement is 6 centimeter, so you just construct here 6 centimeter. Construct side MO with 6 centimeters. Okay, now O equal to 105. So just construct 105 with the measurement of, means help of half circle. Okay, and you know that how to construct 105. It's here. Okay, so draw line passing through that point, sorry, ray. Okay, that is, suppose OX is there, then our OR is 4.5 centimeter. So what to do? Just take radius 4.5 centimeter and draw arc of circle with center O and help of compass like that. And when it's intersect the OX ray, that is our third point, that is R. Okay, write down here R, and this angle is 105. Now draw the OR properly. Okay, now M is 60 degree and R is 105. So you just draw ray from both one, from M, that is 60 degree, it's here. Okay, that is, suppose M Y, and from R you just construct like that. Okay, 105 degree. It's here. That is RZ. Okay, and intersecting point is our last point, that is E. This one is 60 degree, this one is 105. So MORE is our given, means required, right, quadrilateral. Okay, now write down the measurement here 6 centimeter, here 4.5 centimeter. Okay, next one, look, quadrilateral PLAN, same here. Just draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral. Now PL is given, so here we start with PLAN. PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5 centimeter, P equal to 90 degree, A equal to 110 degree, and L equal to, sorry, N is given 85 degree. Okay. Now here these two sides are given and measurement of L is not given. Okay. Then how to find out L? So we know that the sum total of all angle of quadrilateral means angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N equal to 360. Okay. Now write down all the measurements. Here X, P is not given, so P is 90, L is not given. Angle L plus A is 110 plus 85 equal to 360. Now sum total of all this one, L plus 110 plus 90 20, so it is 285 equal to 360. So angle L equal to 360 minus 285 equal to 360 minus 285, that is 15 and 60, 75 degree. So L equal to 75. Here you just take angle L equal to 75 degree. Okay. So now we are having two adjacent side and these three angles. We just construct that one. Okay. Now we start with PL. PL equal to 4 centimeter. So here you just draw PL equal to 4 centimeter. Write down here PL, that is 4 centimeter. Now L equal to 75 degree. Okay. So that is 75. Okay. Here our 0 is there, so we read the upper side readings because 0 is upper side, and here 75 it's here. So just draw that one like that, and that is X, LX, ray LX with 75 degree. Okay. Now LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. So what to do? Just take radius 6.5 centimeter with help of compass and draw arc with center L. It's here, and the intersecting point is our point A. Okay. Write down here A, and measurement of that one is 6.5 centimeter. Now P equal to 90 degrees. So you just draw ray passing from P with measurement 90 degree with the help of half circle. It's here. So that is 90 degree, which is PY. Okay. And A equal to 110 degree. So from A you just expand that one here. Now A is 110 degree, so you just rotate that one and take 110 degree. It's here. Okay. And like that here. Okay. And intersecting point is our last point, that is N. So write down here N. Okay. A equal to 110 degree and this one is 90 degree. So here PLAN is our required quadrilateral. Okay. Next one. Look, question number 3. In that what is given? Parallelogram HEAR is given. HE, okay, 5 centimeter ER. Okay. So here we draw rough sketch of that one. That is HEAR. Okay. 5 centimeter. EA equal to 6 centimeter. Angle R is given, that is 85 degree. Okay. Now we know that in a parallelogram the opposite angles are equal. So R equal to 85. So E is also 85. Write down here angle E equal to 85. Write down opposite angle of angle R. Reason. Okay. Same. The adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. So angle R plus angle A equal to 180. So 85 plus angle A equal to 180. So angle A equal to 180 minus 85. angle A equal to 95. Okay, that is 95. So here angle A equal to 95. Just write down adjacent of angle R. Okay, and A is 95. So H is also 95 because opposite angle. So angle H equal to 95 opposite angle of angle A. Okay, so that is 95. This one is also 95. Now construct that one. Okay, here we are having two adjacent side and these three angles. Okay, so H is 5 centimeter. Construct 5 centimeter here. Here H E, that is 5 centimeter. Now E equal to 85 degree. So just draw angle with help of half circle and measurement is 85 like that. Okay, and draw ray start with E, point E. Here X. So EX equal to HEX, angle equal to 85 degree. Okay, now measurement of EA is 6 centimeter. So what to do? Just take 6 centimeter radius and draw arc with center E. Okay, that is A and measurement is 6 centimeter. Now H equal to 95 degree here. So just construct that one. Now here 0 is at downside, so just read the downside numbers 90 and here that is 95. Just draw ray start with H, point H start. Okay, HY. Same with A, just draw 95 degree angle. Okay, it's here. Now here 0 is above side, so we take the upper side numbers. Okay, here and that is AZ. Okay, and intersecting point is our last point, that is R, and here we take 95 degree. Same here we take 95. So here HEAR is required quadrilateral. Okay, and last one is rectangle OKAY. Okay, so rectangle, here we draw the rough sketch. Okay, like that. Look, OKAY. Here OK is given 7 centimeter, K is given 5 centimeter. Measurement of angles are not given. Then what to do? Just read that word properly. That is rectangle, and in a rectangle all angles are 90 degree, means all are 90 degree. Okay, so let me start with OK. OK equal to 7 centimeter. So you just take 7 centimeter measurement and draw side OK, that is 7 centimeter. Now look, K equal to 90 degree. So here with K we draw 90 degree angle. Okay, with help of half circle. Here look, that is 90 degree. KX. Okay, and measurement is 90, that is 90 degree. Now KA equal to 5 centimeter. So what to do? Just take 5 centimeter radius with help of ruler and draw arc. Okay, radius equal to 5 centimeter and from K. Take K as a center and draw arc which intersect KX at A. That is our point A. Okay. Now from O we just draw 90-degree angle. Same here. Draw angle from A. We just draw 90-degree angle. Means KA Z and KOY, which are having 90-degree measurement. Okay. Like that. It is 90-degree. It's Y. And from A also we just draw 90-degree angle with help of rounder. Half circle. 90-degree. That is Z. Okay. And intersecting point is our Y. Okay. W. Y. O is 90 and A is also 90 and K is 5 centimeter. So OKAY is our required quadrilateral. Okay. So here our exercise 4.3 is completed. Just draw all that 4 questions means quadrilaterals in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.